all. This is Sambashiva Reddy, IIT Chemistry faculty. In previous classes, we discussed about acids, bases, and salts. In last class, we discussed neutralization in everyday life. Okay, the next topic is indicators. Today, we are going to discuss indicators. What is definition of indicator? What is the meaning of indicator? Indicator is a substance. Indicator is a substance which shows acidic or basic behavior of other substances. Change in colors are known as indicators. Indicators, substances which shows acidic or basic behavior of other substances. Change in color are known as indicators. Okay, this is the definition of indicator. The substance which shows acidic or basic behavior of other substances, change in colors are known as indicators. We have different types of indicators. Okay, types of indicators. The types of indicators we have differently. One is natural indicator, synthetic indicator, and olfactory indicators. Okay, one by one your discussion. Indicator, types of indicators. This one, first one, natural indicator. Natural indicator. Natural indicators are nothing but the indicators which are obtained from natural resources, that we are calling natural indicators. Examples here. First one, litmus, turmeric, China rose, red cabbage. These are natural indicators: litmus, turmeric, China rose, and red cabbage. Okay, many natural indicators are there. Some of natural indicators: litmus, turmeric, China rose, and red cabbage. Okay, we are discussing here one by one natural indicators. First, litmus. Litmus. What is litmus? Okay, litmus. It is obtained from lichens. It is obtained from lichens. Lichens is nothing but the small type of plants, small size of plants. Okay, this is obtained from litmus is obtained from lichens. Okay, it is available in two forms, in the solution form, and it is exist in two type of litmus papers. One is red litmus paper and one is blue litmus paper. Okay, actually color of litmus solution color, purple color, in the presence of acidic medium, its color is red color, and basic medium, its color is blue in color. This is a litmus solution color is purple. In the presence of acidic medium, this purple color is turns to red color. Okay, in the presence of basic medium, this purple litmus solution turns to blue color. We have two types of litmus papers: red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. Okay, here when acid, suppose the acid gives what color with litmus paper? Red color. Okay, that's why in the presence of acidic medium, blue color litmus turns red with the acid. Okay, see here, blue color turns to red color in the presence of acid. Okay, base. Okay, suppose the red color litmus turns blue with the base. See here, the blue color litmus turns to red color, the substance is acid. When the red litmus turns to blue color, the substance is base. This is about litmus. And next one, turmeric. Turmeric we know we are using in kitchen. It is an antiseptic substance. It is used in many Ayurvedic medicines. It is act as an antiseptic substance. Okay. Second indicator is turmeric. Turmeric is a yellow color substance. Okay. We are preparing turmeric solution or turmeric paper. This turmeric paper exists in a yellow color. It turns to reddish brown with base. Reddish brown with basic solution. Okay, and turmeric paper does not change. No change with an acid. No change with the acid. Okay. Second indicator is turmeric. Turmeric is a yellow color substance. Uh, this turmeric paper or turmeric solution with base, it turns to reddish brown color, and turmeric solution no change with an acid. That means remains constant with an acid. Okay. And third one, China rose. Okay. China rose, it is also act as a natural indicator. Actually, it is existing a color, purple color. China rose indicator is original color is purple color, and this China rose color with acid, it turns to dark pink or magenta. Okay, with acid. Yes, the China rose indicator. Okay, it turns to dark pink or magenta with the acid, and it turns to green color with the base. Green color with the basic solutions bases. Okay, next third one. Next fourth one, red cabbage. Red cabbage also we are observing in purple color. This is also purple color solution. Purple color solution. This is also turns to red color with acid and green color with base. Green color with bases. Okay. Yes, these are the natural indicator. Natural indicators. First one litmus solution, and second one turmeric, third one China rose, and fourth one red cabbage. Next, synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators are nothing but these indicators are synthesis in laboratory is known as synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators are artificial indicators. These are prepared in laboratories. That's why we are calling synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators, we have phenolphthalein indicator, first one is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein solution is a colorless solution. This is a colorless solution. This colorless solution with acid, no change with acid. That means remains constant with acid, or colorless with acid, and this phenolphthalein solution turns to pink color with base, pink color with base. Okay, see, this is one of the synthetic indicator is phenolphthalein. This is colorless solution, and this test with acid, this is also colorless or no change with acid. Okay, and it turns to pink color with base. Okay, and this phenolphthalein indicator generally we are using in a neutralization process. An acid react with base to form salt and water. In this process generally we are used phenolphthalein indicator. Okay, and second one methyl orange. Methyl orange indicator. Methyl orange indicator. Okay, see, methyl orange is an indicator. It is original color is orange color. Original color is orange color. If it is tested with acid, it gives red color with acid. Red color with acid, and it is yellow color with the base. It is turns to yellow color with the base. Okay, understand? Synthetic indicators, okay, which are synthesized in laboratory. These are called synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators, first one is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is colorless solution. This colorless solution with acid, no change with acid. That means it remains colorless only, and it turns to pink color with base. Okay, and next indicator is methyl orange. Methyl orange is original color is orange color, and it turns to red color with acid, and with base it turns to yellow color. Okay, these are the synthetic indicator. And one more indicator is that is olfactory indicator. Olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators are nothing but the substance change the smell with acid or basic substances. Olfactory indicators. Okay, olfactory indicators are nothing but the substances, these are changes that smell with acid and basic solutions. Okay, for example, here onion, vanilla, and clove oil. Okay, these are the olfactory indicators. Suppose for example we are taking onion. Okay, the onion smell already we know. Suppose in the presence of basic medium, this onion loses its smell. Okay, in basic medium the onion loses its smell, and in acidic medium it does not change any smell. Okay, and the second one, vanilla. Vanilla is also an indicator. Okay, this vanilla also it loses its smell in the presence of basic medium and remains same in acidic medium. Clove oil, clove. Okay, it changes. We are observing the clove oil smell in the presence of acidic medium, but in the presence of basic medium does not change. This clove oil. Okay,